In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create individual slides from a bulleted list in PowerPoint. This can be a great skill to have when you need to present each bullet point with a bit more detail or visually separate your ideas for clarity. Let's dive in and break these steps down so you can master this process quickly and efficiently. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to PowerPoint for the web. This is the free version of Microsoft PowerPoint, and it's handy because it doesn't require any installations. Once you're there, make sure to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one by following the prompts provided. Signing in ensures that you'll be able to save your work and access your presentations from anywhere. After you've signed in, locate the presentation that you want to edit. You can find this in your OneDrive if you've saved it there, or on your device if you have a compatible setup. Click on the presentation to open it. You should now see all your slides in a sidebar to the left and the selected slide in the main workspace. Now, navigate to the PowerPoint home area by using the integrated menu. This section is like your control room, offering various tools and options to enhance and organize your presentation. Next, you'll want to focus on the slide that contains the bulleted list you'd like to transform. Click on the bulleted library to make sure it's active. You'll see your list in a text box. Here's where the magic happens. For each bullet point, you're going to make a new slide. It might sound tedious, but this technique really allows you to spotlight each key point individually. Let's break this down. Click on each bullet point item, copy the text, and then create a new slide. Paste your bullet point into the title or main text area of the new slide. Repeat this process with each item in your list until every bullet has its own dedicated slide. It's a simple process, but taking your time to pay attention to each detail can really make your presentation shine. And there you have it. By splitting each bullet point into its own slide, you give yourself the space to add images, graphs, or further explanations without cluttering your presentation. This method not only helps in maintaining the audience's focus, but also enables you to expand on your concepts seamlessly. Thank you for watching this tutorial on transforming bulleted lists into individual slides in PowerPoint. We hope this walkthrough was clear and helpful. Please feel free to ask questions and let us know if there are any other features you'd like us to cover in future videos. Happy presenting!